Hello everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to make this homemade panning hand camera stick. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to take this whole roller blade and work it up. So first we need to drill a hole in it and then put a bolt in there that fits the camera. So let's get that started. Okay, so we got the hole drilled and we got the bolt started. Now I gotta get the bolt all the way in and put the parts on it. I will do that next. Okay, we got the bolt into the wheel. We got the nut on there. It is all the way in. Now all we gotta do is put this wing nut on. Okay, now for the next step. Okay, I will be using this old PVC pipe that cracked back in like a few winters ago. I kept it for something to use on, so this cap doesn't move. I couldn't find another cap for the other end, so I found this cap that fits inside of it, so it's good enough. We're just building this out of scraps. Okay, so I'm going to run this bolt through this wheel into this cap. Let's get that started. Okay, make sure you get the nut and the bolt lined up exactly in the center so that it will rotate on the ball bearing unit. Okay, we got the bolt through and then we bolted it through the cap. Now we're going to take the cap and place it into this pipe. Okay, I will hot glue this into the pipe and then I will wrap the handle in black tape, electrical tape. Okay, I have tape on the PVC pipe all the way up to make a handle. And I have the cap piece glued in place here. And now the headpiece rotates back and forth. The bolt that holds the camera is right there. Okay, now I need a handle that makes it rotate back and forth for panning the video. Okay, now I'm going to take and put these two eyelets together and clamp them and then screw one into the stick and the other one into the wheel. Get that down now. Okay, now I got the handle on there. Okay, I got the handle on there. This gives it the ability to swing back and forth. And then you put the camera on there. Okay, you tighten the wing nut up there onto the camera after you twist it on just 3 times. Then when you take the handle and you go back and forth, it rotates the camera, panning the shot through, and I will take it outside and show it to you. You can also take one of these phone holders off of your selfie stick and even use your cell phone on this. This is basic stuff laying around the house. None of us knew. You can build this yourself. You can go buy new or you can get used. You can shoot videos without spending high dollars on stuff. I mean, heck, this is just basic stuff out of my house. This wheel's from my 1990s rollerblades when they first came out. Somewhere in the 90s at least. This is an old PVC pipe that cracked but still was usable. I didn't have a cap for this end. You can use a cap just like this end here. Just drill a hole in it, put the bolt through, and then put a nut on the inside. I put 2 nuts right here to give it clearance. The wheels, ball bearing unit is what lets it rotate back and forth. Make sure this bolt here is the exact size that you need for the camera. The bolt I used was a 1/4 inch. I made sure it did fit the camera properly, and the cell phone holder as well. Okay, if you hold your hand like this and hold the wheel, it will stay put. And when you slide your hand down, it will start rotating. It did really good, and I even used this old camera here to do the shot, the video clip with, as I panned back and forth across the woods. Well, it doesn't take much to build parts you need. Just think outside the box, use what you got, think it through, problem solve. If you can even improve on this, that's cool. If you want to build one yourself, that's great. If you build one and make a video, please let people know where you got the idea from. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is how I made a homemade panner out of scraps.